Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to make the Magnifier tool view the entire screen in Windows 10. The Magnifier tool is a great accessibility feature that allows you to zoom in on your screen for better visibility. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by pressing the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open up the Start menu. Step 2. Next, go to Settings. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon in the Start menu. This will open up the Windows settings. Step 3. In the Windows settings, look for the icon labeled Ease of Access and click or tap on it. This will open up the Ease of Access settings. Step 4. Inside the Ease of Access settings, you'll find various accessibility options. Look for the option labeled Magnifier on the left side and click or tap on it. Step 5. On the right side of the Magnifier settings, you'll see a section called Choose a View. From the drop-down menu, select Full Screen. This will ensure that the Magnifier tool displays the entire screen. And that's it. You've successfully made the Magnifier tool view the entire screen in Windows 10. Now you can easily zoom in and navigate through your screen with enhanced visibility. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.